Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Kraystar Flavor King, where we bring you the most mouth-watering recipes that are easy to make and packed with flavor. Today, I'm going to show you how to spice up your dinner with a super easy and delicious recipe, Fajita Parchment-Baked chicken. This dish is not only a breeze to prepare, but also a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy, flavorful meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Trust me, this is a game changer for your weeknight meals. It's perfect for those busy evenings when you want something quick yet satisfying. First, let's preheat that oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 200 Celsius. Preheating is crucial to ensure that our chicken cooks evenly and comes out juicy and tender. While that's heating up, grab a piece of parchment paper or aluminum foil, about 12 by 18 inches. This will be our cooking pouch, locking in all the flavors and juices. Fold it in half, then open it back up. This fold will help us create a pocket for our ingredients. Now let's talk veggies. I've got half a red pepper, half a yellow pepper, and a quarter of a red onion, all sliced up nice and thin. These colorful veggies not only add a burst of flavor, but also make the dish visually appealing. Lay those bad boys on one half of your parchment paper. Make sure they're spread out evenly so they cook properly. Drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil over the veggies, and don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper. The olive oil helps to roast the vegetables, giving them a nice caramelized flavor. Next up, the star of the show, one chicken breast. Make sure it's boneless and skinless for the best results. Place it right on top of your pepper and onion mix. This way, the chicken will absorb all the wonderful flavors from the veggies as it cooks. Season that chicken with a teaspoon of taco seasoning, a bit more salt and pepper, and 3 tablespoons of your favorite salsa. The taco seasoning adds a nice kick, while the salsa keeps the chicken moist and flavorful. And for the finishing touch, sprinkle on a tablespoon of a Mexican cheese blend. This will melt beautifully over the chicken, adding a creamy, cheesy layer. Alright, it's time to wrap it up. Fold the parchment paper over the chicken and veggies, creating a sealed packet. Fold the parchment paper over the chicken and veggies and cinch the edges by folding them over themselves. This ensures that all the steam and flavors stay locked in, cooking everything to perfection. You want it nice and sealed so all those flavors stay locked in. This method of cooking is called en papillote, a French technique that results in incredibly moist and flavorful dishes. Pop it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. This gives the chicken enough time to cook through while allowing the vegetables to become tender and delicious. You know it's done when the internal temperature of the chicken hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 Celsius. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure your chicken is cooked safely. And there you have it, Fajita, parchment-baked chicken. Carefully open the parchment packet, being mindful of the hot steam. Unwrap that deliciousness and get ready for a flavor explosion. The aroma alone will have your mouth watering. The peppers, the onions, the seasoned chicken, all baked to perfection. The colors are vibrant and the flavors are out of this world. It's a symphony of flavors that'll leave your taste buds dancing. Each bite is a perfect blend of spices, juicy chicken, and tender vegetables. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps us bring more delicious recipes to your kitchen. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a delicious update from Kraystar Flavor King. We have a lot more exciting recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Serve and enjoy. This dish is perfect for a family dinner or a special occasion. Bon appetit!